This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad chick the only way. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of cooked chicken, 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, and 1/2 cup of finely diced celery. Don't forget your seasonings like salt, pepper, and a special secret ingredient to elevate the flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the star of our dish. The chicken. You'll want about 3 cups of cooked chicken. You can shred it by hand for a chunkier texture, or use a food processor for a smoother, more uniform consistency, which is often preferred for this recipe. Just make sure it's cooled down completely before you start combining it with other ingredients to maintain the best texture. Next, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your prepared chicken with 1 cup of mayonnaise. Then, fold in 1/2 cup of finely diced celery, which adds a lovely crunch. Now for the flavor. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For that authentic taste, add a pinch of your secret ingredient, perhaps a dash of onion powder or a hint of sugar. Finally, the last crucial step is chilling. Cover your chicken salad and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Once chilled, it's ready to serve. Enjoy it on a buttery croissant with your favorite crackers or as a light and refreshing lettuce wrap. A sprinkle of paprika or fresh parsley makes for a perfect presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.